everyone, I am Jeannie So from Class 6E. Today I'm going to introduce one of the endangered animals to you. Can you guess what it is? Whales are distributed throughout the world's major oceans and seas, such as the Mediterranean Sea. Are whales fish or mammals? Whales are mammals. Although they live in seas, they use lungs instead of gills to breathe. Since whales are not fish, they cannot breathe underwater. They need to breathe through the blowhole, which is on top of their head. What do whales eat? Whales eat small sea creatures, such as fish, shrimp, and crabs. Some of them even hunt sea lions and seals. The number of grey whale, humpback whale, sperm whale, and blue whale are all decreasing. Some of them even have become endangered. We must do something. People throw a lot of rubbish into the sea. Whales mistakenly eat the rubbish, so they die eventually. Besides, people kill whales. Whaling is one of the major reasons which cause whales to become extinct. People kill whales in order to get blubber, which can be used to make soap, cosmetics, and meat. People can earn a lot of money from it. There are several ways for us to save whales. Number 1, we should use fewer plastic products. Number 2, we should support organizations which protect the ocean. Number 3, we should stop whaling. Last but not least, we should stop polluting the sea. Don't hesitate. Save whales now. Goodbye. Did you enjoy the show? Don't forget to answer the question on Google Classroom. What can we do to save whales? Thanks for watching.